The scbestuygo portable mini washing machine is a compact and versatile appliance designed for cleaning small clothes, underwear, and makeup brushes. Its 2-in-1 design and cream color make it suitable for home, hotel, RV, travel, and camping use. This model features a 1.6-liter capacity and was released in 2025, offering convenience in a lightweight, portable form. Equipped with a 4,000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery and a 2,000 revolutions per minute motor, the washing machine delivers efficient cleaning with 3 selectable wash modes. The device is waterproof with IP44 certification, constructed from durable PC and food-grade silicone materials. It includes a touch control console, detachable body for easy cleaning, and a USB charger. The unit weighs just over 2 pounds and measures 12.7 by 5.3 by 5.3 inches, making it space-saving and easy to carry. Ideal for those needing quick, gentle cleaning of delicate fabrics and small items, this portable washer is perfect for travelers and anyone with limited laundry needs. It effectively removes stains and maintains hygiene with built-in AG+ sterilization technology. The scbestuygo mini washing machine offers practical performance in a convenient package.